Welcome back, you guys, to Let's Play Okami, and in the last episode we continued to do stuff here in Hana Valley. So I wanted to get this on screen. It is a Legend of Orochi, which is a scroll drawn by a wandering artist. Which, if I feel like later, I might look through those, but I'm not in the mood right now. And of course, I see things back here, which can only mean cabbage. So we're gonna break this. Yes, cabbage. I also got a Chinese cabbage, which is on a simple side, but tasty. I got cabbage. I don't like cabbage in real life, though. Cabbage is gross. Examine. Sleeping like a log, come back at night. You read the message, but just have to come back to your night. Oh, man. I was close, too, to coming at that time. Whatever. Know what we're gonna do for now? We've got stuff to do. Stuff that we can't do until nighttime. So, we're gonna go and continue doing some, side stuff. Oh god. He just jumped straight in the water. No, don't die! No! Oh, that was so freaking close. That actually scared the crap out of me. Anyways. Let us go back to Kamiki Village, shall we? Because we have some cherry blossoms that we have to bloom in Kamiki Village. Like right here. See, we have loads of cherry blossom trees to bloom. So let's go ahead and try to do them, and we'll try not to miss any along the way. Damn it. I knew that was gonna happen. Can't wait to fill up my ink pot. There we go. Pretty cherry blossoms. There's plenty to do in Kamiki Village, so I'm probably gonna skip to whenever I have it finished. Oh, we haven't, huh? I would have to wait until nighttime. Whatever. I have to wait until nighttime to be able to do some of those things, though. Which sucks. I guess there's one thing we can do for now. Which I didn't really want to do yet, but whatever. I fear there is no choice. God, I hate this. Won't let me give me my own chance to do things. I just turned it to friggin' daytime, too. Oh, there is stuff over here. I did not know that. Boars! Hello there, babies! Don't worry, I have seeds for you. Hee. And I get some lemons. Thank you for the lemons. And I'm gonna break things. Stuff from my astral pouch. I have feeding. A scroll created by a wandering artist. Thank you, but I don't need it. Not right now, anyways. I guess I'll do this. Really? There we go. That's what I'm talking about. But what is this? Something we can't do yet. And it looks like we can't go through here or we'll drown. Agata Forest Port. The ferry between Shinshu Field and got to tourist docks here. The ferry used to run frequently, but it's been out of service ever since the water level dropped. Great. Well, and I can't do anything now, so I guess we're gonna skip. Well, I'm just waiting until it's time to go back. So, I'll be right back. Actually, while we're waiting on this, I believe we have to go to where this moon cave used to be and check out the shrine area in between. So let's pass through, shall we? The moon cave entrance. Huh? We passed under the shrine gate and followed the narrow path. So where the heck's the moon cave? It should be right here. Hey, what's that big old mountain over there? Just when did that appear on Lake Harami? You see, the moon cave is where the Nagis live, the legendary beast. But that huge mountain is way too big for the moon cave, I remember. I mean, just look at it, it's massive. I'm a little nervous to check this out, but let's do it. I have a really bad feeling about this, guys. Ooh. Ouch! What the heck? There's some kind of barrier here. Never seen one so powerful before. We better stay away from this thing. Yeah, it'll take away my godly power, I can just imagine. This is a portal to another area. Good to know. I don't want to go back there. It scares me. Well, I think we should know about there is this here in Shinshu Field. Maybe it's time to check out Sakia back in Kamiki Village. Well, that's a lie soon. We actually have to go and look at... Oh, it's perfect timing. We have one area we have to check out that area where the guy said that you can come back at nighttime. It is quintessential for game progress. Just saying. Hello, Ida. What's this? I see pretty things. Let's go do it. Hello there, sir. I have to text mix. What kind of voice should we give to this guy? I wonder. No. That can't be right. They shouldn't be doing that. No. I checked and double-checked my formula. No. Hey, you got a minute? Whoa, what's this little wisp blonde doing here? Bleh. Hey, who are you calling a wisp? I'm Ethan, the wandering artist. Well. You're a little ball of fire, aren't you? I'm Tama. Tama the flame pyrotechnicist. That is what they call me. In other words, pretty things. Flaming pyrotechnist Tama. Listen up, you two. I'm just about to set off a humdinger of a doozy. Take a look at the formula I posted here on the wall. Okay. My whole career as a pyrotechnist has led to this formula, friend. It's for Firework I've dubbed Midnight Wonder Boy. There's only one problem. Even though the formula sounds it's not working right yet. I know. Listen, pup. You got good eyes. Fiery eyes. Smoldering eyes. Maybe your red hot glare is just what I need to set this thing off. Feast your eyes on the greatest display the world has ever seen. Hold on to your hats, kids. Here I go. The brightest constellation in the sky, the Midnight Wonder Boy. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a circle. And then a thingamabob. And there is a bomb. Fireworks! Holy smokes! That time I might have a few screws loose, but the boy, can he deliver? That light again. Ooh, it's another constellation, Nami. Alright. There we go. I know who this is. Well, I don't know the name, but I know what it is. A boar on a bomb. They've all got fireworks. Bakugami. Ah, Matarasu, wonder of all that is good and mother to us all. Too often it is easy to forget that which we can not see. Hidden away, I had lost track of you, but now my soul is at ease. Ah, Bakugami, god of explosive force, lend my power to your cause. Use the cherry bomb to lay waste to foes and observe all alike. He's constantly being attacked by his kin. Oh my god, that is so weird. Aww. And there we go. Hey, another burst chicken just come back to you? That was Bakugami, the god of explosions. His technique is called Cherry Bomb. Thomas' enthusiasm must awaken your god's power in you. Well, what are you waiting for? Let's give that Cherry Bomb a try. What about that cracked wall over there? Why don't you try Cherry Bomb on it? But be careful. Wait. No, I know how it looks. I'm sorry. There we go. Whoa, look at that hole! It blasted a crack in the wall through smithereens! Bleh, that did not sound like smithereens at all. That cherry bomb is one destructive technique. I mean, just think of what it could do to monsters. It's gonna be tricky handling something that powerful. But I think you'll be using it at one time once you master it. Anyways, we got a thing right here. And we have treasure in here. I have gotten Bakugami the trophy. The rat statue. One of 13 zodiac treasures. Which I believe I can sell. Alright, anyways. Oh, battle time. How it exploded! Ugh. Forgot that I could do that. No! There we go. Power slash the living shit out of that thing. Well, that was a fail. Well, those guys fucking exploded on me, the bastards! Alright, we've pretty much done everything except for, I think, that one hole in the wall that I wanted to grab. We're gonna do that really quick, and then I'm gonna end the episode here. Wait, it was back up here. That's right, I think it was up here somewhere. But the question is, where? Oh, there it is. Found it! Alright. Whoop. There we go. And I got an Exorcism Slip X. Paper depicting a holy incantation. Slightly damages enemies. There we go. Alright, I think I'm going to cut the episode off here. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. I do videos like this pretty much every day. I'll talk to you guys later, alright? Bye-bye.